Hello viewers, and once again welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Apo patiri kutarisa ndezvipi zviri kuitika mukati menyika yeZimbabwe. Tinotarisa nyaya yamukoma Wicknell Chivhayo pamwe chete nemutungamiriri wenyika President Emmerson Mnangagwa. Remember that other leaders were gathered in Tanzania recently and President Mnangagwa wasn't there. We need to look at it, what really happened, who was representing Baba Tongai Baba Mnangagwa. And it's very, very important because, number one, Emmerson Mnangagwa has never missed World Economic Forum, but for the first time since he became president, excluding Madeze COVID, he missed it. The major question, or the greatest question, is why did he miss the World Economic Forum? They were there, failing to answer questions. Secondly, there was another one which happened in Tanzania, Angari Energy Summit. We have seen various leaders attended that. The president of Kenya, the president of Zambia, they were there. But Emmerson was nowhere to be found in Tanzania, despite their relations with the Tanzanian president and despite his willingness and zeal to travel. But this time around, he didn't go. So, speculation is that the situation is so tense in Zimbabwe, especially the ZANU-PF politics. So, kurukunetsa kubudika kunza kusungobudika nyore. Unogona ngoenda obva wanzi chigarira ikoko. And that is something which is very, very important. Remember, the past weeks itaona hondo dzakasiyana. So, this is where we have to answer this question. Who was representing Emmerson Mnangagwa? The answer is Wicknell Chivhayo went there to represent President Emmerson Mnangagwa. And I want to show you something which is very, very important. He arrived in Tanzania and straight from the airport, he went to see the president of Tanzania, Mama Suluhu Samia. And these are the pictures of them together, him and his wife having privilege nemutungamiriri wenyika yeTanzania. Chinyi chaitwa naChivhayo chinoshamisira kana chinogona kubatika zvekuti munhu anogona kutaura kuti aiwa vanofanira kunge vachienda ikoko? Hapana. We have seen Gwanda Solar Project, a failed project yatadza kubudirira 10 years now. Hapana chiri kufamba right there. Only for a man to go straight to the State House of Tanzania kunoonana nemukuru weko is because speculation is that he was sent by number one to go and represent him, and a phone call was made, Kuti, I am sending my boy, receive him so well, he's going to represent me. So it's very, very interesting, guys, to see that this is happening. At a certain point in time, there was an audio Wicknell yakabuda achitaura kuti mukuru asati aenda unozoona anobva azodzoka obva ati I'm now going, my son, what. So you can actually see that the relationship is so something else. And also Wicknell has been on the spotlight because asati aenda ikoko twice. He has gone to Kenya twice now. Ane paakamboenda ameno kwaibva, and recently before he went to Tanzania he was in Kenya again. The major question is kwaimboitwa nezvei? So you know, he's talking about something which is very, very important. You know, the energy summit. Yekuti tiri kutarisa kuti the region, the African region, the Southern African region has been left out in terms of energy, has had an energy crisis. Yekuti ndoko ataifana kuona madzvinyamuchingwa acho energy achienda ikoko. You see vanhu vane proven records of failure, vana Chivhayo vachimhanya ikoko vachinopeswa variko, and he will be mixing and mingling with the heads of state. If he had only attended pamwe zvaiita nani, but in this case he attended and went straight to the State House of Tanzania. I do not know, guys, your thoughts and your views kuti imimi munozoonawo sei nyaya idzi. Chokwadi ndechekuti mukuru akanomirirwa naWicknell here oro pane mamwe maonero amunoita, but inini hangu I believe that Wicknell was representing Emmerson Mnangagwa. Let us talk in the comment section your views and your thoughts.